بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم.
شروع اللہ کے نام سے جو رحمان و رحیم ہے.
اقرأ بسم ربک الذی خلق.
پڑھو اے نبی اپنے رب کے نام کے ساتھ جس نے پیدا کیا.
خلق الانسان من علق.
جمے ہوئے خون کے ایک لوتھڑے سے انسان کی تخلیق کی.
اقرأ وربک الاکرم.
پڑھو اور تمہارا رب بڑا کریم ہے.
الذی علم بالقلم.
جس نے قلم کے ذریعے سے علم سکھایا.
علم الانسان ما لم يعلم.
انسان کو وہ علم دیا جسے وہ نہ جانتا تھا.
Assalamu alaikum. We start our class with the name of Allah who is the most beneficent and merciful. Welcome to all the students and parents in our second video session of first semester. This is class 4 and the period is mathematics. In the mathematics we start unit number 4 in our first semester final term content. In the first week of first semester final term we discussed 2 lessons of unit number 4. Unit number 4 is mental and written calculation. When how to do a mental and written calculation. First we discuss the inverse operation. The inverse of plus is minus, the inverse of multiplication is division, and then we start the brackets. In the lesson of brackets we discuss how to solve our brackets questions. First we solve the brackets, then solve the other values in the rest of the part. Now we start our lesson number 3, rounding and approximation. What is rounding? In the previous lectures we discussed what is the estimation. We round the numbers to the nearest hundred, thousands, and then solve the approximate answer. Then approximate means equals to. When we estimate the one question and we take out the answer, this is called the approximate answer. In the lesson number 3 we discuss question number 1. Our question number 1 is add these in your head. When you add these in your head, first you add or subtract one number in the first value, and then the same operation with the inverse operation in the other value. Like our question is Question is 69 plus 87. When we add these in your head means first you think addition in your head means you take plus 1 in first number and use the inverse of plus 1. The inverse plus inverse is minus, minus plus multiplication is division, and the division is multiplication. This is called the inverse. These are the 4 basic operations of mathematics: plus, minus, multiplication and division. And the inverse of these, the inverse of plus is minus, the inverse of minus is plus, the inverse of multiplication is division, and the inverse of division is multiplication. We take plus 1 in the first value and use the inverse of plus 1 is minus 1 in the other value. When we plus 1 in 69 it makes 70. When we minus 1 from 87 minus 1 means one step back from 87, it is called 86. Now add this. When we 6 in 0 is 6, when we 7 in 8 is 15. So answer is 156. Now when we add the original question, the same answer will be appeared. 69. First we write bigger value and then small value, and when we add this 9 or 7 is 5, 15, 15, 5 and 1 carry, 8 and 1 9, 9 or 6 is 15. So 156 is your answer with the same of your add in your head. Now solve part E according to this rule. Our question number 2 is your question number 2 is subtract these in your head. Like this, when we add in your head, first you add plus 1 in the first value and the inverse, use the inverse of plus minus 1 in the second value. But when we subtract the numbers in the other value, look, the question is 93 minus 67. When we subtract 93 from 67 from 93, first you solve, then plus 2 from one number and the minus and the same plus 2 from the other number. When we plus 2 in 93 is 95, and then write the sign of minus which provided by the question, and 67 plus 2 is 69. When we 95 minus 69, 5 is smaller than 9, 1 borrow from the 9, it's 15, 15 minus 9 is 6, and here the remaining number is 8, 8 minus 6 is 2, the answer is 26. Now solve the part E by yourself according to the given content. Question number 3 is not in your part of your content. Now move on your question number 4. Your question number 4 is find approximate answer to this. Means आपने approximate answer calculate करना है, right? Whether they are overestimate, underestimate or close estimate. Here the three terms are used. First is overestimate, underestimate and the close estimate. These all three terms are related to your estimation. When you estimate, look at the number. First you see the number 89,296. Now how can you estimate? Look at the second number. If second number is greater than 5 or 5, so first number is round up, means plus 1 in your first number. Now here second number is 9 and it is greater than 5, so we plus 1 in the first number, means the round up. 8 is equals to 8 हमारे पास किस में चेंज हो जाएगा, फिर 9 में चेंज हो जाएगा, and other numbers are equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and the right 4 0 here. This is your estimation. 9 चेंज हो जाएगा आपके पास when 9 is greater than 5, so 8 is changed into the 9 when we plus 1 in the 8, not write 9 here, plus 1 in the first value if second value is greater than 5, so this value is called the round up. जब हम प्लस 1 करते हैं किसी भी फर्स्ट नंबर में तो वो वैल्यू हमारे पास क्या हो जाती है, राउंड अप, और जो वैल्यू राउंड अप हो रही होती है ऐसे क्वेश्चन जिसमें सारी वैल्यू राउंड अप हो रही होती है, इट्स कॉल्ड द ओवर एस्टिमेट. ठीक, इफ अ नंबर इज this number, now you can estimate 4 is less than 5, so we cannot change in the first number. 6 remains the same and the 4 values change into 0. दिस इज कॉल्ड द अंडर एस्टिमेट, जिसमें हम फर्स्ट वैल्यू को चेंज नहीं करते सेकंड वैल्यू के हिसाब से, ये हमारे पास क्या कहलाती है, अंडर एस्टिमेट कहलाती है। और जब हमारे पास आपके पास राउंड डाउन हो रहा होता है, और ये क्या कहलाता है, राउंड डाउन, और जब हमारे पास राउंड डाउन हो रहा होता है तो इट्स कॉल्ड द अंडर एस्टिमेट। एंड व्हेन in the question the one value is round up and the other value is round down, so it's called the close estimate. Now with the help of this, solve question number 4. Your question number 4 is 12,450 plus 32,814. Our first step is, now write the solution. Our first step is estimation. Estimate the value. Look at the number. If the second number is less than 5, where 2 is the less than 5, the first number remain constant. 1 remain the constant and the other numbers change into 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Write 4, 0 here. Use the sign which is given in the question, plus. Now 2 is another less than 5 value, so 3 remains the constant. Like our estimate is 2 is less than 5, here 2 is also less than 5. The both questions are estimate round down, so write the answer is both the values are round down, so it is called the underestimate. ठीक, your homework is solve question number 1 part A. This is your home task. Solve question number 1 part AE, question number 2 AE and question number 4 AD according to your given solution. Make sure do your work. Now written addition and subtraction are second topics of video number 1. We already know what is the addition. This is the sign of addition, and in the addition we add two numbers, and this is a sign of subtraction, and we subtract a minus from one number to another number. Our question number 1 is in our lesson number 4 written addition and subtraction. We solve the question number 1. Question number 1 is answer these and remember to estimate. First you remember that first you estimate the value, then add the value. Right? Solve what is 89,344, add to 20,098. 2098 means here write the add, means the add is two numbers. When here we write subtract means minus the two values. Write the head of estimate. In this question, what is 89,342 add to 2098? First, copy the question, write the larger value. In the first portion, large value is 89,342. Then write the small value, and the small value is 2098. First, we estimate this value. Look at the second number. If second number is greater than 5, here 9 is greater than 5, so change in the first number means plus 1 in 8. When we plus 1 in 8 is 9, the other 4 number is change into 0. Here second number in 0, 0 is less than 5, so no change in the first number, 2 remains constant, and the other 3 numbers change into 0. And you add these two numbers. 0 plus 0 is 0. Here 0, 0, 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. When we add 0, when we add any number in 0, the number remains the same. And 9 is equals to 9. So your estimate answer is 92,000, and we add the real answer. 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 makes 0, 0 is right here, and 1 is carry on 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, and then 5 plus 9 is 14. Write 4 here, and 1 is the carry of 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 9 plus 2 is 11, 11 write 1 here, and 1 is the carry of 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. So your basic answer is 91,440. First, look at your estimate answer. Your estimate answer is 92,000, and 92,000 is nearest to 91,440. So solve the rest part of the questions according to this method. Now move on to question number 2.
Reception department.
Now question number 2 is use these number to answer this. Means आपको ये 5 numbers given है, आपने इन numbers को use करते हुए questions के answer देने. ये question number A is part A is what is the total of all the even numbers. Means here we total all the even numbers. What is the total? When we write the total, it means you add all the numbers. What is the even numbers? Even numbers which is divisible by 2. एक ऐसे नंबर जो 2 के टेबल में आते हैं, डिवाइड होते हैं, जिनके पेयर बनते हैं, वो आपके पास सारे कौन से नंबर्स कहलाते हैं? even numbers. When we have a bigger number, so we use the last number. If last number is even, means last number is divisible by 2, the whole number is called the even number. Here 73,326. In this number the last number is 6 and 6 is also divisible by 2. So this number is called the even number. Here the last number is 5, which is not divisible by 2. It means this is the odd numbers. In the third number, the last number is 9, which is not divisible by 2. It means is also called odd numbers. In the fourth value, the last number is 4. 4 is divisible by 2. It makes it even numbers. And the last number is 8. And 8 is divisible by 2. So it is also called the even number. Here we have a 3 even numbers. 1, 2, 3. एंड आपने आंसर क्या देना है? व्हाट इज टोटल ऑफ ऑल द इवन नंबर्स, मींस आपने सारे इवन नंबर्स को क्या करना है? प्लस करना है. तो राइट द सॉल्यूशन हियर. फर्स्ट यू कॉपी द लार्जर नंबर एंड द लार्जर नंबर इज 73,326 and the second larger number is 9,884 and the third one is 2,098. राइट 8 इज द, बिल्कुल आपने 4 के नीचे राइट करना है 8, देन 9, 0 एंड 2. 7 के पीछे आपके पास कोई नंबर नहीं है, आप 0 राइट कर सकते हो अगर करना चाहो तो. नाउ यू ऐड दीज 3 नंबर्स. व्हेन वी ऐड 6 plus 4 is 10 and plus 8 is 18. नाउ राइट 18 here and one carry of 2 or 1 3 or 8 is 12 and the 12 is or 9 is 20. Now 0, 2 is a carry of 3. 3 plus 2 is 5 and 5 or 8 is 13. 13 3 and the 1 is carry. 3 or 1 4. 4 and 2 6 and the 6 or 9 is 15. Right, 5 here and 1 is the carry of 7 and when 7 plus 1 is 8. This is your answer. This is your all about lesson number 4, written addition and subtraction, and your home task is solve question number 1. Your home task is to solve question number 1 part A, B and question number 2 is also part A, B according to your given solution. Now move on our last lesson, and last lesson of this unit is written multiplication. Here is the last topic is written multiplication revision. Means आपके पास this is a sign of multiplication. Here we multiply two numbers like 2 multiply 4 and the product is the answer of multiplication. 2 multiplied by 4 means read the table of 2 till 4. Here 2 4s are 8. This is the pattern of your multiplication. When we multiply one number to the other number, the product is the different. If you are unable to do simple by reading tables, use the method of multiplication. Your question number 1 is answer this. And the question is, what is 38 multiplied by 24? When write 38 multiplied by 24, which number which is written after the by This is multiplied by 38, right? 8 is the number and 38 is multiplied by 24. मीन्स आपने 38 को मल्टीप्लाई करना है 24 से. वो नंबर जो बाय के बाद लिखा हुआ हो उस नंबर से आप प्रोडक्ट को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. 38 मल्टीप्लाई 24. Now read the table of 4 till 8. 4 8 is 32. Write 2 here and 3 is the carry of 3. फर्स्ट नंबर को पहले आपने फर्स्ट नंबर को दोनों नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है इन द फर्स्ट स्टेप. देन इन द सेकंड स्टेप यू मल्टीप्लाई द बोथ नंबर बाय द सेकंड नंबर. 4 first you multiply 8 by 4. 4 8 is 32. Write 2 here and 3 is the carry of 3. Now 4 multiply by 3. 4 3 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. Your answer is 152. Right? Cross और 0 behind the 2. आपने 0 या फिर मल्टीप्लाई का साइन 2 के बिल्कुल नीचे लगाना है. फर्स्ट नंबर के नीचे आप जब दोबारा मल्टीप्लिकेशन करोगे नेक्स्ट स्टेप में तो फर्स्ट नंबर के नीचे कोई भी नंबर नहीं होता. इट इज द रूल ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन. व्हेन वी मल्टीप्लाई 8 by 2, 2 8 is 16. Write 6 here. 1 is the carry of 3. 2 3 is 6 और 1 7. आपने नंबर्स के नीचे नंबर राइट करना है दोनों स्टेप्स में. इफ यू डोंट राइट द नंबर बिहाइंड द नंबर तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज क्रॉस. नाउ एड बोथ नंबर्स. राइट sign of addition here. 2 plus 0 is 2. 6 plus 5 is 11. Write 1 here and 1 is the carry of 1. 1 and 1 2. 2 or 7 is 9. So your answer is 912. 38 multiplied by 24 and the answer is 912. Your next part is in the part B, multiply 56 by itself. When here it is write the itself, it means you multiply 56 by 56. यानी कि आपने 56 को multiply 56 से ही करना है. How? Write 56 multiply 56. The both values are the same. Both numbers are 56. First you multiply first 6 by 6. 6 6 is 36. Write 6 here and 3 is the carry of 5. 6 5 is 30 and we multiply 5. 6 5 is 30. Add the number of 3 in the 30. It's 33. मैंने आपको पहले बताया कि फर्स्ट नंबर के नीचे आपने कोई नंबर राइट नहीं करना है. राइट 0 ओवर हियर. इट इज द रूल ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन. फर्स्ट नंबर के नीचे आपने 0 राइट करना है. नाउ बिल्कुल इसी तरह आपने सेकंड नंबर से दोनों नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 5 6 is 30. नाउ 0 here and 3 is also a carry of 5. 5 5 is 25. Then plus 3 in 25 it's 28. Now add this number. Write the sign of addition. 6. Then 3 plus 0 is 3. 8 plus 3 is 12. Write 2 here. 1 is the carry of 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Your answer is 3236. When we multiply 56 by 56, the answer is 3236. Now move on to question number 2. Your question number 2 is which cost more? आपके पास डिफरेंट आइटम्स के डिफरेंट प्राइजेस गिवन है. आपने उन प्राइजेस को देखते हुए पार्ट ए के आंसर देना है. फर्स्ट योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज विच कॉस्ट मोर. आपके पास डिफरेंट आइटम्स यहाँ पर मौजूद हैं. फर्स्ट आपके पास बुक मार्क है. सेकेंड आपके पास स्टेटस है, टी शर्ट्स है, कैप्स है, एप्रन है, कप है, स्टेचू है एंड द वास. आपके पास ये पिक्चर्स गिवन है विद द डिफरेंट प्राइस. मीन्स आपके पास अगर हम बुक मार्क की बात करते हैं तो बुक मार्क इज प्राइस इज ₹14.95 पर बुक मार्क, ₹7.34, ₹90.54 is the price of shirt, ₹60.87 is the price of the cap, ₹120.52 is the price of the apron, ₹51.84 is the price of the cup. Rupees 150.80 is the price of the statue and rupees 90.32 is the price of the vase. Now look at the question. Your question number part A is 4 bookmarks and 8 badges. आपके पास जहां पर आपके पास लिखा हुआ I और love, heart banana, then chairs लिखा हुआ, this is your badge. Now move on the solution of this question. Your part A is 4 bookmarks or 8 badges. The price of one bookmark is rupees 14.95. So write the solution here. One bookmark is equals to rupees 14.95. And here यहाँ पर हमें 4 bookmarks की वैल्यू चाहिए, तो we multiply 14.95 by 4. Write 4 bookmark is equals to rupees 14.95 multiplied by 4. आपने क्या करना है, 14.5 को मल्टीप्लाई जब हम 4 से करेंगे तो हमारे पास वैल्यू आ जाएगी 4 बुकमार्क्स की. नाउ मल्टीप्लाई 14.95 by 4 in the upward column. 4 5 is 20, write 0 here, 2 is the carry of 9, 4 9 is 36 plus 2 is 38, 4 4 is 16 and 3 is 19, 9 is right here and 1 is the carry of 1, 4 1 is 4 and plus 1 is 5, and write the decimal of before two numbers 1 and 2, right, decimal is here. So the price of 4 bookmark is 59.80. Same deed method, calculate the value of 8 badges. For write 1 badge value. Price of 1 badge is equals to rupees 7.34. And we have the value of 8 badges, right? 8 badges values. So multiply 7.34 by 8. Multiply 8. Go in your rough work and do 7.34 multiply 8. 4 is the 32, write 2 here. 3 is the carry of 3. 8 is the 24 plus 3 is 27, write 7 here, 2 is the carry of 7, 8 7 is 56 and plus 2 is 58, write decimal after 2 numbers. So the value of 8 badges is 58 rupees and 72 paisas. This is the value of 4 bookmark and 8 badges. आपने अब इसके अंदर बताना है कि किसकी कॉस्ट मोर है. तो आपने जो बुक बैग परचेज की वो कितने की परचेज की, 59.80 की, एंड आपने 8 badges परचेज किए 58.75 रुपीज. Whose the value is more? तो बुक मार्क कॉस्ट आर मोर देन badges. 4 बुक मार्क कॉस्ट is more than Now solve the rest part of question number 2 by yourself and solve the try this. Your try this is multiply 37,037 by different numbers. Solve the try this by yourself. Now move on your homework. Your homework is solve 51,516 multiplied by 8 and 62,943 minus 50,853, and also solve question number 1, question number 2 and try this of lesson number 5. Now unit number 4 is completed. In the very next video we will meet with the next unit. If you, I hope you got everything. If you have any problems, watch this video again. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.